Hello everyone, welcome to the Learning Channel. In this channel, I upload daily one video related to any education, so if you want to learn something new every day, like, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for notification. Here, take a look to this 3D view. Now I have to insert doors and windows as per plan. First open the level on which doors gone insert. And make view 2D wireframe, for better appearance of lines. Now, let's insert first door, as per size in the doors and windows schedule. Here's the path. Select size as per schedule, 3 by 7. Now place the door on the plan. Do the same procedure for the other doors too. Look for one panel door of size 2.8 by 7. Door, load family, select door, and select size. Now place the door on the plan. Now, last door is flush door. For flush door, you have to pick the same door as per schedule. If size not available, then edit the door type, and make a duplicate one, and make resize as I do. Go to 3D view, and you can see door is inserted correctly. Let's move for the windows. Here, W is the double slide light window of size, 5.1 by 4.5. Open window command, load family, open window, and look for double slide light window of 4 by 5 size. And place the windows. Do the same procedure for double casement window W1. Use same size as per schedule. Do the same procedure for W2. Single casement window. And place it on plan. Use same size as per schedule. Now ventilator. Size is 1 by 1 foot 6 inch. If size doesn't match, then select M fixed window, make duplicate 1, and edit the width and height as per schedule. Here, all doors and windows are inserted correctly. Now go to 3D view for better appearance. Have a nice day. If you doesn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe and give a like to support.